Yo, what's up, Nex?
What up, man? I'm gonna add some blood inside. And no, it's not real blood, guys. As I mentioned earlier, it's fake blood.
Look at that. Left the trail of blood all the way down. And there's the severed hand.
What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Welcome back to another prank video. Since Halloween is almost here, guys, and you guys have been requesting more Halloween pranks, here in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys 5 more pranks. 5 pranks that you guys can pull off on friends and family on Halloween or even before Halloween for those of you who are in the Halloween spirit. These are pretty creepy, and as you guys can see right here, I brought out the fake blood because I'll be using a lot of it in this video. Now, before we begin, let's make sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel with all the bell notifications turned on. That way you guys don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And I'm thinking that I'll be making part 4 of how to get more Halloween candy. So please have those bell notifications on so you guys know when I upload that video. Let's get these pranks going. Check it out. Okay, so let's start off with a really bloody prank. Now, good thing I went to a dollar store and I was able to pick up this fake skull right here. It's made of plastic. The best part is that it's $1. Now here I have a little cup. It's a little plastic cup, and for this I'll need a marker as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip over the skull, and on the bottom, on the neck, where the neck would go, I'm gonna measure the area of the cup, and then I'm gonna make an outline of it. Now I do this because I'm gonna be cutting off this circle, and hopefully that's not hard. And it's not. It's really soft, so I should be able to cut a really good circle out of this. Alright, how perfect is this circle? Well, not too perfect, but it'll do. And see, inside is hollow. And I can easily put my cup inside. How cool is that, right? So, to secure it on, guys, I'm gonna use some tape, like I always do. Okay, so now that it's on there, secured on, I'm gonna add some blood inside. And no, it's not real blood, guys. As I mentioned earlier, it's fake blood. Okay, that'll do. Even though this is a skeleton skull, it still bleeds, just like Omega Skull. Alright, so when you guys weren't looking, I accidentally dropped this. So that's why it's so bloody right now. But anyway, let's carry on with this prank. Now, on the edge, the top edge of the cup, I'm gonna apply some grease. You guys can use Vaseline or a hair product. As long as it's greasy, it'll do. Alright, so over this, guys, now that it's greasy, I'm gonna place a piece of paper. This is plain white paper. And I'm gonna make sure that it sticks on to the grease. And now I can easily flip it over. But you gotta do this really fast if you do attempt to do this prank, guys. Just like this. The prank is set, guys. So whoever comes over and picks up the skull will be in for a surprise. Just watch. When they lift it up,
A bloody mess.
coming from the inside of the skull, you get blood all over the table. Alright, so I got a big mess right here that I'm not about to clean up just yet, because for this next prank, I'm also going to be making a mess for the demonstration. Now, this prank you guys can pull off on anybody at school, whether it's girls, guys, or even your teachers if you're cool with them. You will need to take some fake blood into class though. Here, I'm going to get a piece of plastic wrap. This will do. Alright, I'm going to lay it flat. Then take a little bit of blood and just add some on the center, just like that. We're gonna be creating a little pouch. Doesn't have to be too big. Look at that. Now, since I have too much of it, I'm gonna cut off the top. And that's it, guys. This we're gonna put on our hand, like this. And we're gonna be shaking people's hands, so we're gonna be giving them high fives. And whoever gives us a high five or shakes our hand will be in for a bloody surprise. And for our demonstration, it's gonna be Sin Fatal, aka Omega Skull, and myself.
So this is how it's gonna go, guys. Yo, what's up, Nex?
What up, man?
Blindsided me, and look at that. He even left a bag on me.
And I didn't get that much on myself, but yeah, guys, Just be prepared to have a towel handy so that you guys can wipe off your hands and let them deal with it. And you guys can do the same thing if you do nothing but fist bumps. Just put some on your fist like this when they try to say, "What's up?"
Yo, what's up, Next?
What up, man?
Oh. And this is the most common. It's usually fist pumps, guys. So if you guys want to get creative and do the fist pump one, then you guys are more than welcome to.
Man, it looks like you got destroyed at Bloody Knuckles right there.
Yeah.
Now this Halloween prank you guys can do at school because most likely this year Halloween lands on a school day, so you'll be stuck at school in the morning, in the afternoon as well, right before you go trick-or-treating. What a better way to spend Halloween than pranking people with Halloween pranks. Now this right here is a large glue stick. I've already removed the glue from inside. So this is empty, guys. And here I have a fake bug. Now this bug I've used many times in my last few videos, and it's perfect for this next prank. So we need a fake bug, an empty glue stick, and then something to reel them in, guys. And what better than candy? And here I have a little tiny piece of Snickers. Good thing that this actually fits inside perfectly. Very snug, but it fits in. Now, here we're gonna take the bug. This is a centipede, and we're gonna attach it onto our piece of candy. And for that, I'm gonna be using some clear tape. Just like that. So the bug is gonna go in first. So let's push it in. All right, guys. Leave it like this, so whoever's walking by sees it, they're gonna try to steal the candy, right? So put this on your desk. So if it was Omega Skull coming over, and he loves Snickers, so he would definitely fall for this prank. He would try to pull it out. Oh. And attached to it is the bug, and he's scared of centipedes, worms, anything slithery. So he would definitely get creeped out by this. You want some Snickers?
Yeah, I'll take some. Look at that. Pretty cool little prank, huh, guys?
This is perfect for scaring little kids or even your teachers. You guys remember this hand right here? A couple videos back, I severed its pinky. Remember that, Omega Skull?
Yeah, I remember. It cried out.
All right, let's sever this pinky. Ah.
Oh, there it goes.
All right, so I was about to throw it away, but then I decided we could actually use it for something else. So what we're gonna use it for is a prank, of course, and it's gonna be a bloody prank. We're gonna cover this with blood, not a lot of it, but just enough to scare our victims. And I found a very creative place where you guys can put such severed hand. And if you follow me, I'll show you. And here we are, guys, the shower. The place where they least expect to get pranked. The bathroom, really, nobody gets pranked in the bathroom, right?
No, at least not that I know of.
Well, that's the perfect spot to prank people, guys. And this is right before they're about to get into the shower. So we're here in the shower, and I got this fake hand, fake severed hand, and fake blood. I'm gonna apply just a little bit of blood on it so it's a little bit bloody. Just like that. So it'll leave stains on the tub. Notice that the curtain is pushed in forward. So I'm gonna put the fingers right through one of the rings. So it should stay on. It's just barely on. See, notice that one of the fingers is stuck on one of the rings, and that is perfect. Let's see what's gonna happen when somebody wants to take a shower. So when somebody comes into the shower, they're gonna close the curtain so nobody sees them naked, and this is what's gonna happen.
Oh! Look at that, left the trail of blood all the way down, and there's the severed hand, all full of blood.
And that would freak out just about anybody. Anybody, guys, so peace out. Now let's use a severed arm instead of a severed hand, just like we did in our last prank. It's gonna be bloody, but this is more of a decoration that you guys can place on a wall. For Halloween, let's say you're having a party, or this is for a classroom. These are cheap $1 fake arms. So what I'm gonna do here is, since it's hollow, I'm gonna fill it up with some blood. Now before I do that, notice the spaces in between the fingers. There's cuts in there, which means that it's exposed, and that is gonna come in handy for what we're gonna do. But first, let's make an opening on this arm. And I'm gonna cut, well, I was gonna cut the wrist, but I'm gonna cut the forearm. Just a little. Now it's exposed. So now I'm able to fill it up with blood. Check that out. Alright, perfect. So now we have some blood in there. You hand it to somebody and tell them to hang this fake arm upside down, guys, and the results will be funny. So the hand will hang like this rather than this. Alright, so I'm back in the shower because I'm tired of cleaning up messes, and shower is the easiest thing to clean up. All I gotta do is turn on the overhead shower and that's it. It'll clean itself. So the setup here is that you tell somebody to hang up this severed arm decoration on a wall. But again, has to be like this with the fingers pointing down. So they'll get some tape and try to hang it up on the wall. And this is what's gonna happen, guys.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's flowing.
Oh, yeah. This guy got a big old paper cut on his finger. And that's it, guys. Look at that.
It's alive.
His middle finger is bleeding. And there you guys have it. 5 creepy Halloween pranks you guys can pull off on friends and family. Now, if somebody has a weak stomach and can't stand blood, or even fake blood for that matter, please do not do these pranks on them. We don't want them getting sick. These pranks are meant to be funny and in good spirit, the spirit of Halloween. So please, guys, prank responsibly. Now, I mentioned I might make part 4 of my series, how to get more Halloween candy. So please stand by for that. Have those bell notifications on. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you liked this video and you gave it a thumbs up. I'll see you pranksters in my next video. Well, guess what? I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna give you all these candies.
You're so generous, Max.
Here.
Oh, what the hell?
So this is me knocking on my neighbor's door, trick-or-treating. Well, guys, this is what's gonna happen. Trick or treat!
What is this?